What's up, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I'm on the highway right now, going to go pick up my kids. And I was just thinking something. You know, a lot of people make excuses, and the excuses of why they can't do something is literally what's crippling them, what's keeping them unhappy and keeping them depressed and keeping them feeling sorry for themselves instead of bringing some actions. Hey, if you just put forth some type of actions towards what you want to do, you're going to get there. You know what I mean? It might not be overnight like the next person, but you're going to get there. You see what I'm saying? And believe me or not, you know, a lot of the stories that you think is overnight success stories, they ain't. Like, them people went through a whole lot to get to that level. You see what I'm saying? So don't despise the day of small beginnings, but stop making excuses on why you can't do something. I can't because of this. I can't because of that. Oh, I can't because of this. I can't because of that. Nah, make it happen. Make it happen. You know what I'm saying? If you got to sleep in your car, make it happen. Whatever you got to do, make it happen. And get your happiness, man, and live your life. Hold on.